Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, we mainly talk about the questions we get from our customer and we talk them one by one. The first question is about the RD power supply. The input terminal is different. You can see here, there is RD6006, RD6012, and RD6024. They are 6 ampere, 12 ampere, and 24 ampere. And let's see the import terminal. For RD6006, it uses the green terminal, 2P connector. RD6012, you can see here, it uses 4P connector. But for the RD6024, you can see it uses screws and you need to solder the input cables onto the connector and you can screw the connector into the input terminal. So why they are different? It is because for the input terminal, like this, for this kind of connector, one port it can support 10 ampere max. So that for RJ6006, it just use one input positive and one input negative. For 6 ampere, it is enough. It can support 10 ampere. So for RD6012, you can see that it uses 4P connector. So two input positive and two input negative, so that it can support 20 ampere max for the input. Then RD6018, which can output 18 max, it uses 4P connector too. For RD6024 and RD6030, they are 24 ampere output and 30 ampere output. Then 4P connector is not enough because it can only support 20 ampere max. So that we need to use this kind of design. You solder the cable onto the connector and screw in the connector to the input terminal. In this way, it is safe and it will cause less problem. This is for the first question. Okay. For the second question, it is about the accessory of the assembled set and not assembled set. In our store, there are assembled set link and not assembled link. For the assembled link, the power supply comes from the complete set with the AC cable and output cables. You can see for the title, it shows assembled set and the picture shows what you can get. For the not assembled set, you can see it is not assembled set, and for the picture, you can see it is only RD6030W and S800 case and import 1500 watt AC to DC PSU. There is no other thing, no input AC power cable and no output cables, just like the picture shows. And when you make the order, I will send you about what you ordered. You can see if you order the assembled set, I will recommend you to order the silicone sleeve. Of course, if you order the max version, the silicone sleeve is already included. If you do not order the assembled set, you order the separate part, I will recommend you to order the output cable and silicone sleeve for the set you order. So that please notice that. Since we talk about the silicone sleeve, there are two kind of product which can use silicone sleeve. First, if you order the S400 case and S800 case, or you order the assembled set, you can order the silicone sleeve to protect the device. You can see on the original case button, there are 4, please wait. You can see for the original S400 case and S800 case, it has 4 mats. You need to remove these 4 mats and you can use the silicone sleeve and install the screws to fix them. There is another question that if you order the S06A and S12A case, which is produced very long time ago for the old RD6006 and RD6012, the case size is same. You can still use the silicone sleeve, but the screw position is different, so that you can only use some grooves to fix the silicone sleeve, or you make a hole on the silicone sleeve to install the silicone sleeve to the case. Okay, this is the questions we meet in this week, and if you have any questions, just contact us.